Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you air fryer from Magic Chef. In typical Indian and Punjabi style cooking, we prefer butter, desi ghee, name it. And we always say, the more fat you add into your cooking, it will bring the taste. Now these days, everybody cares about their health and they are very health conscious. They watch what they eat and how they eat. And best of all, if the food is cooked, if it's a deep fryer, they say no fried food. So I'm going to bring the cooking in air fryer, which basically cooks with the hot air, does not require any oil. It's going to give us a healthy meal, and I'm going to share with you various types of cooking with the air fryer. I'm going to open it and I'm going to post the link under my description for Magic Chef. And I'll provide you the coupon code as well, which gives you 20% discount. So let's open it. Please read through. It has many recipes in there. This is the air fryer from Magic Chef. And we place our food into the basket and then cook it. So if we look at inside, that's the heating element. So what basically it does, it heats up and it circulates the air and everything gets cooked at the time specified for each recipe. And I'll plug it in, and as we plugged in, we see it beep. This one has a power button, so you can set up the temperature, you set up the time. As soon as we put it in, it starts automatically. 18 minutes is the default time, and it started with the lowest 360 degree Fahrenheit, and it can goes up to 450 degree. So this is pretty neat. And if we turn it off, and it will shut down. It's a little noisy. There is always pros and cons with each appliance. As we shut down, it beeps, and I'm just showing you, I put it on top of the bowl so you can see it. And normally when you're going to be cooking, you want to make sure that you put it on a solid surface. So we're going to use over the countertop. And this is, we just turn it on like a 20-30 seconds. It's already warm enough. I can feel it. It's nice and warm. So I'm going to wash it, and then I'm going to start using the air fryer from Magic Chef. And I'm going to do a lot of cooking in this one. And I'm going to bring the healthy recipes to you. So please stay tuned for more videos on Easy Steps. I hope you like this short tutorial of air fryer from Magic Chef. Please check it out, the link below. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.